Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of business finance, specifically a platform called Airwallex. Now, if you're a freelancer, a globe-trotting entrepreneur, or just someone who craves control over your finances, you've probably heard the name Airwallex thrown around. But here's the question that keeps popping up. Does Airwallex have a mobile app? Believe it or not, this seemingly simple question can be a bit tricky. So, buckle up, because we're about to unpack the world of Airwallex mobile apps, their functionalities, and some key things to keep in mind. Airwallex, your financial Swiss Army knife, almost. Let's rewind a bit. Airwallex positions itself as a one-stop shop for managing your business finances internationally. We're talking multi-currency wallets, international payments, virtual cards, and even expense management, all rolled into one neat package. Sounds impressive, right? Well, it is. But the key word here is business. Airwallex is primarily designed for businesses, not individual users. So, if you're a freelancer just starting out, you might find some features a bit overwhelming and potentially unnecessary. The app situation, separating fact from fiction. Alright, back to the main course, the mobile app. Here's the good news, Airwallex does have mobile apps available for both iOS and Android. You can find them on the respective app stores by searching for Airwallex. Now, here's where things get interesting. While the app exists, it's important to understand its current functionalities. As of today, the Airwallex mobile app offers a subset of the features available on the web platform. What can you do on the Airwallex mobile app? Let's explore what you can actually do with the Airwallex mobile app. Monitor your global balances. Keep an eye on your multi-currency wallet at a glance. See how much you have in each currency and stay on top of your finances. Track transactions. View a history of your transactions, including details like status, exchange rates, and fees. Currency conversion. On the move, need to convert some funds quickly? The app lets you do that on the go, potentially locking in favorable exchange rates. Share account details. This can be a lifesaver if you need to receive payments quickly. Share your Airwallex account details with clients directly from the app. Expense management. With a twist, this feature is currently in beta testing, but it allows admins and cardholders to submit and review card expenses directly on the app. You can even use your phone's camera to attach receipts and get handy push notifications for transactions. Important caveats to consider. While the app offers some valuable functionalities, there are a few things to keep in mind. Limited functionality. As mentioned earlier, the app doesn't offer the full suite of features available on the web platform. For some complex tasks, you might still need to switch to your computer. Beta features. Some functionalities, like expense management, are still under development. Expect potential bugs or limitations. So, do you need the Airwallex mobile app? Here's the honest truth, the decision depends on your specific needs. Power users, if you heavily rely on Airwallex's features like international payments or complex money management, the web platform offers a more robust experience. On-the-go management, however, for those who need to keep an eye on their finances or make quick transactions while traveling, the mobile app is a valuable tool. The final takeaway. Airwallex offers a mobile app with functionalities tailored for on-the-go business management. While it might not replace the full web platform experience, it provides a convenient way to monitor finances, make quick conversions, and potentially manage expenses, depending on the beta features. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try it out yourself. Download the Airwallex app, explore its features, and see if it fits your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.